Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare one very popular recipe in Bengali kitchen, which is choto macher chorchori. I am going to cook small fish with some vegetables like potato, brinjal and another vegetable. For that I have to go to my kitchen garden to collect that. So let me go and bring that, then I'll start preparing this recipe. This is peyajkoli, which I grew last year. It's known as onion flower stalk in English. Sometimes we get confused with onion green, which is known as spring onion, but this is not spring onion, it is peyajkoli. Few stalks or peyajkoli left now, so let me collect and then I'll prepare the dish. These stalks look so fresh and green and healthy. Here I took Mourala mach, small fish, and I'll marinate with salt and turmeric powder. To prepare this recipe, I'll use mustard oil. Here I took 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I will deep fry those small fishes. Fry these fishes in high heat. Fry it for 5 to 6 minutes in high heat. Once the one side is cooked enough, very gently turn those fishes and fry the other side as well, so that you can keep the fish as a whole. Once the fish is fried well, keep it aside. In the same pan, I'll add 2 more tablespoons of mustard oil. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and half teaspoon of kalonji. Fry it for a minute in medium heat till the aroma starts coming out. Here I cut potatoes and brinjal in lengthwise. You can see it here. I'll add potato, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix everything, then cover and cook for 2 minutes. As potato needs more cooking time than brinjal and peyajkoli, that's why I'll add other vegetables later on. After 2 minutes, take the lid off, add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 medium-sized onion paste. Fry all the spices with potato for 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium heat. Once the spices are fried enough, then now I'll add brinjal and peyajkoli. Give everything a good mix. Now I'll add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato and we'll mix everything together. Now I'll cover and cook for 5 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, take the lid off and check whether vegetables are cooked properly or not. Now all these vegetables are almost cooked. I'll add few green chilies and mix everything together. If the vegetables are not cooked properly, cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in medium to low heat. Now see, the potato is cooked properly, so I'll add here half cup of water. Now I'll add those fried small fish, the Mourala fish, here. Now mix all the vegetables with this fried fish gently and cook in low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Bengalis' all-time favorite choto macher chorchori is totally ready. So my choto macher chorchori is totally ready. Generally we eat this choto macher chorchori with plain white rice and red lentil, which we call Musur Dal. It goes very well with this combination. So that's all from me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.